Hello students, in this video I will show you how to use the equation editor in Blackboard. So let's say you have a discussion like the one from week 8 where you have to construct a problem. So I would want you to write the direction for at least one math problem that you learned in this class until now. So for example, you can say solve the quadratic equation and put a quadratic equation in your post. But do not solve it and go to a classmate's post and solve their problem. Now, given the example that I just said, quadratic equation, we know that we will have to write something like 2x squared. So how do we write x squared using the mathematical language? So to do that, I am going to show you what button to use. So for example, if you do have to write something like 1/2 plus square root of 3, right, plus minus, how do you write it mathematically? So let's press reply and this new page opens and you have to go to this plus in a circle, a sign which says insert content, press on this drop down menu and let's press math. So now we have all these options here. So let's say I want to say solve let's say 3x squared. So I'm going to press x and then this button squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0. And I'm going to press insert and it's going to show me the problem. And I'm going to press reply and it's going to show up here as my post. Let's try one more. So let's say I want to reply and let's say I want to add a few other information, like let's say I want to put square root of 14 plus I want to put a fraction, so I use this button, 2/6 minus, and let's say I want a cube root, so I'm going to use this button and I'm going to say cube root of 27 equals, and then insert. And as you noticed, we have more formulas, like for example you can use parentheses if you need, you can use greater than or equal to, you can use less than or equal to, empty set, union, intersection, so pi, infinity. So you have everything you need to compose a problem in this equation editor. I do hope this helps.